It's Dean here again from Combat Fit Sessions. Today I'm going to be showing you the bodyweight squat. Alright, there are so many people who do this incorrect. It's a basic movement, but there are so many wrong ways you can do it. So today I'm going to teach you the correct way to do a squat. So what we're going to do is, first things first, is you want to stand feet shoulder width apart. Right, what a lot of people do is just kind of stand here. Right, this is a common problem, and they just bend the knees like that. Alright, so they'll bend down and then this happens. The knees come out, they go too low and they lose the balance. Alright, that's common problem number one. The other problem and the other issue which people do, okay, is they bend the back forward. Okay, so they go down, they don't sit on the heels come up like that. Okay, so the heels will come up, the back arches down, and they've got no balance. Alright, so then go on, so they don't put the weight through the heel and the back arches like this. So to do a correct bodyweight squat, you want your feet underneath your hips, underneath your shoulders. Alright? Then from there, the first bit of the movement is your hips go back. Alright, the reason why the hips go back is so that your knees don't go over your toes. Then all you're going to do from there is keep your chest forward, back straight, hands either here or hands out in front. Okay? Bend your knees. So there's a 90 degree bend in your leg, and then back up again. Okay? So bend as far as your body will let you, then back up. You do not need to go ass to the grass. Okay? There's no point, there's a lot of pressure on your hips. If you're somebody who has problems with the knees, it's not going to be any good. Alright? So you just need to make sure that you go lower enough so you're sitting on a seat, and then back up. When you do this, make sure your knees don't collapse in. Push your knees out. Keep your core tight, chest up, and back up again. It should look something like this. Alright, so I'm sitting on the heels, and I'm mainly working the quads and the glutes. So that there is the bodyweight squat. So I hope you found that useful. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and there'll be hopefully more videos like this posted each week. See you in the next one, guys.